talk about basic necessities like food. So food, students are sleeping hungry. Why? They cannot be provided for. Students' houses are being locked. They do not have the financial capability to fulfill all these things. And even for ladies, you find that there are university students who are ladies, but they cannot afford sanitary towels. So imagine a university student cannot afford sanitary towel. What do you expect out of her? So it's serious. Those are just some, but many issues. We don't have the exact data of maybe the suicidal cases or the issues that have been attended to. But as a union, we are working together to ensure that we come together as universities organization and make sure we tackle these things one by one. Because at the end of the day, if these students are not assisted, it is us who are going to lose. And we are committed to making this a priority, and we are committed to push the administrations in each and every institution, and we are committed again to putting the government into check and ensure that the person will be the Minister for Health, the person will be the Minister for Education. All these things are incorporated, and university students, high school and even primary are taken care of.
Are young adults. And when I say young adults, these are people who they don't have a definite direction in life. And that is we're in a transformative and changing stage. And if you're not properly guided, or if you're not responsible enough to want to make that direction for yourself, then you get lost. That's where the peer pressure comes in. Because the factors that you're using to give yourself a direction, they're not sustainable and they're not healthy. So as young people as well, I think in the past there was something called community responsibility. That has gone away. Nowadays it's everyone for himself and God for us all. And that's we're in a changing time, but it's not healthy for the young people in the long run.